Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites so you don't chase false leads. Update Discord and your operating system, then restart. This clears cached protocol mismatches. Once done, open basic firewall and router checks. Make sure UDP traffic is permitted and NAT pass-through is enabled because Dtls uses UDP channels for voice. Also verify the PC's network profile. On Windows, set the connection to private or home so discovery and incoming voice flows aren't blocked. These actions unlock the next diagnostic layer. Next, you dig into DTLS-specific network behavior to find the root cause. Capture packets or run a UDP test to confirm packets leave and return. DTLS handshakes fail when replies are dropped. If your router shows symmetric NAT, DTLS can be blocked. Enable UPnP or forward a range of UDP ports, 50,065,535, to the device running Discord. Also examine VPNs or proxies. Once disabled or reconfigured to split tunnel, Discord can complete the DTLS handshake directly with voice servers. To finish, you validate client-side integrity and isolate remaining interference. Clear Discord's cache and, if needed, reinstall to remove corrupted handshake artifacts. Make sure antivirus, firewall software, or router security features aren't silently blocking DTLS. Temporarily disable them to test connectivity, then re-enable with adjusted rules. If the problem persists, collect Discord logs and a short packet capture of the failed DTLS handshake so you can identify timing or retransmission issues. One key tip: if captures show no server response, focus on NAT/UDP filtering first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.